Is it?
Come here.
What happened?
Look. Just look.
Ah! Oh no. Okay, you know what that is?
What?
That is what happens when you put Dawn dishwashing detergent inside of your dishwasher. Oh my goodness. Can you help me, Adam? Can you get it cleaned up?
No, I'm not going to do that.
As you can see, the floor is all nice and clean from where Adam has been helping clean up the mess.
But I saw red things coming too.
What?
I saw red
Let's
things.
go see. Show me. Show me what you're talking
But if
about.
you scrub, you see red things. Ah! See the red thingies? Those are the red thingies I'm talking about. These.
What is it? I don't know. This is crazy.
Ah!
No, you're going to fall. Don't fall. Look at the bubbles everywhere. Adam's been helping me clean it up. We've turned it off and we've tried to clean out the dishwasher and we're trying to get it to rinse it out now, and the bubbles just keep coming.
Yeah.
Adam, look at Mommy.
What?
Who did this?
I don't know.
Who did this?
I think Austin did it.
I think you're right.
Oh no. We're going to have a terrible mess in our sweet house.
In our what?
In our house.
In our sweet house?
Yeah, we're going to have a...
Get over there with your towel and get to cleaning.
Oh! It's over here now!
Oh no. Yeah, get it. Get it. Get it. They probably have child labor laws against this. There you go, buddy. Oh my goodness. The bubbles everywhere. Get the bubbles, Adam. Get them.
I am...
Oh, you know what? Mommy's floor has never been so clean.
I know, but now it's a mess. But now it's a mess.
It's a clean mess, though, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's a bad mess.
What kind of a bad mess? A bad bubble mess?
Yeah. Ah! This ball is going over here.
Oh no, hold on, let me check with Austin. Austin? Can you just double check that no more bubbles are going through the floor, dripping onto the laundry? Downstairs?
Oh, I have to hurry. Whew.
We had bubbles dripping from underneath the dishwasher onto the washer and dryer in the basement at one point. And we've got that cleaned up, don't we, Adam?
Yeah.
I think. Austin, can you double check, please? Hey, Adam, guess what?
What?
You know the funny thing about this story?
Yeah.
The funny thing is, look at... The funny thing is, Amanda, Sissy, did the same exact thing when she was younger. And when Austin was about 6 years old, he had to do the same thing. I just gave them towels and they cleaned the whole floor when Amanda and Austin were little. And now, thanks to your big brother, you get to enjoy the same thing. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You get it, boy.
I have to get some more rest.
Oh, you have to get some more rest. What?
I'm eating.
Oh, you need energy? Oh, okay. Yeah, we were having a nice little lunch together, weren't we? Do you need a dry towel?
No.
Do you need a new dry towel?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one out here in the dining room. Oh, that's, who knows? I don't know what that is. I'll get it. Right over there's the towels. Austin brought the towels down. They're right there beside the chair. Austin brought all the towels down.
Scrubber, scrubber, scrubber. Scrub. Scrub this one. What? Whole bubbles over here.
What do you think? We think it's going to be, it's just crazy.
Yeah. Whoa.
Get all the bubbles at him.
I am. Oh,
Look at me. Are you tired?
no,
Do you need a rest?
no. Whew.
Are you excited? Look at me. Look at me. Tell me what you think about this.
But I want to go help Austin.
No, Austin's going to take care of the basement. I need you to help take care of the kitchen.
No, I want to help Austin. I want to help Austin.
Austin's in the basement.
But I can carry these.
No, he took a towel down.
But I want to help him.
That's very nice of you. Okay, be careful walking down the steps.
I am.
I'll take care of the rest up here, okay? Thanks so much.
Austin, I'm going to help you. But he's not going to clean.
Yes, he will.
No, but he's.
Just check and see if there's any more bubbles going on the washing machine. He already cleaned it up.
There is.
What?
There is.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.